How's your coffee? It's better coffee, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Speedway coffee. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Good morning.
Where your parking pass?
What?
Where your parking pass?
What do you mean? You see me?
This yesterday.
Yeah, today a new day.
Is it?
We said-
64.
what year is
1964.
it? Here, today's a new day. You want to stamp?
Yes, please.
You gotta pay for it today too.
Do I?
You gotta pay for it today too.
Okay. How much?
20, same as yesterday.
What is that? Oh, yeah, that costs $20 for a social media. Thank you so
Have a
much.
good day,
Okay, but your stamp didn't work.
It ain't working.
Okay, you'll
I know.
recognize me. Okay. Thank
Go
you.
ahead.
Why is everyone honking? Mike Hall. Bang, 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 bang.
You owe me for parking. I paid twice now.
Oh, my God.
Look at the size of that puppy he's leaving.
Jesus. He's got a dually pull? He's got a 1-ton pull on that, though, eh?
No.
What's that over there? Oh, it's all cars pulling in. Oh,
Okay.
Dave, what day is this? Day 4. We're here Wednesday or Thursday?
Thursday, Friday, Sunday, 4.
Day 4, Michael.
What a beauty it is turning out to be.
Here comes Darcy Clark and Josh Sheck. The 64, 427 Max West Fury is Darcy. The Little Red 454 Corvette is Josh.
That's so loud.
I didn't cringe on that one.
That's louder.
I've almost got it.
That's louder.
Is it?
I can see that's louder.
So it's Mike Hall, Joe Miller.
Nice to meet you, man.
Who are you with?
I raced the top out of
Okay, cool. Which one?
the Leatherwood one, the one that matches this car.
Okay. What are you guys running next tonight?
5 o'clock.
Are they doing any more of the top fuel at night in the dark?
They do. I think they do 2 rounds of this today, and then
Yes,
tomorrow.
it's not going as late.
Yeah.
It's not going as late tonight.
big man. I love what you do with your car.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
I know where you could start a traffic jam though with t-shirt sales right on that corner. I know, you're gonna kill yourself. Holy f, that was insane.
Indy, the only place on the planet where the cars are so fast it hurts.
More heat on the track, more greasy.
Yeah, but he told me he runs better when the track is hot.
Yeah, it's because it's easy to make some wheel speed.
Okay.
But I kind of point, if you smoke too much or a little bit, you're gonna drop the whole.
Yep.
Because nitro need to be, you know, if it's not strong, it's gonna drop.
Okay.
Yeah. So you make more power if you go up something.
Yep.
Yeah, it's like you're running. Sorry, my English is not
Yeah,
very
yeah,
well.
that's okay.
It's like
When you're under load, you make
yeah,
more
when
power.
you have a load, you make more power.
So if it spins, you make less power.
Exact, and
Okay.
you drop
Oh,
the
you
power.
lo-
Yeah, you need the load to burn all the fuel
Yes,
you put
yes.
in.
You got to work the motor.
Yes, exactly. The nitros work with that, like that. You have a load, you have more power. No load, no power.
This pair right now.
So little spin, but not too much.
Yes, you need to do a little spin, yeah, but not too much.
Like he said, 5%.
Yeah, close to.
How many more before you guys run?
And for the next 6 events, in the race to 10 under, what Motorsports has continued to do, along with DHL and for the air, the last couple of seasons.
More bear for us.
Race to 10 under, 49 million people don't have enough
Want to
food
be
to
at the
eat.
line with us?
Start down
These
ball.
teams get together and try to change that. Last year, this program donated
Double.
1 million
What?
meals to feeding America.
2 airbags?
Jump on board in 2024.
Still not enough.
Double down. And Sean Lincoln pops the blower and will go into the final section, not qualified for the 70th running of the Toyota NHRA US Nationals. Here's a look at the instant replay. You missed it by 7,000. Take a look. You try to get tire spin. Lincoln puts the cylinder out on that track. There's another one and pop. Goes the supercharger through the lights. And for Sean Langdon, Ryan Houston, and crew at Toyota Motorsports, the next 2 hours are going to be brutal on the nerves. Clutch starts supplying, tires start spinning, cylinders out on the right side, more than one. Unhappy planes and pop right before the finish line. Sean Lincoln.
That's wild. No, that's pretty catastrophic.
That?
Yeah. The block's done, no?
Well, it depends where it blew. If it went out the bottom end, yeah, it's done.
So I don't know.
But actually, they said.
What do you mean bottom end? Bottom end does the differential, or the?
No, like, are you kidding?
I'm just.
Yes.
He would be like, Matt, you're a moron.
I was just about.
I said, if you, he said, if you blow, it depends if you blow out the top or the bottom.
I still don't know you well enough to like call you.
I mean, the bottom of the differential. He's like, probably exactly what you said. There's no weirdness here.
$10.
Who won?
102.36 right now. Looking at 478, 153.
Just won $10 and managed to watch the run and not flinch.
Await the remainder of this session to find out.
Pretty good, eh, Mark?
Not bad. Hey, $10.
No,
It's all the way to the end.
no.
Looking in. Down Joe.
This morning we watched Funny Car. Now we're watching Top Fuel. Daniel Mercier from Quebec, the only Canadian competitor in the field, is up now for his, I think this is his 4th qualifying run. See how he does. Hopefully he can pull off a win. This morning we watched him and his crew reassemble his Top Fuel drag car in about 30, 40 minutes. We watched him fire it up, test it. He says everything's good. We'll see how it runs.
How's the feeling?
You guys what?
No, we smoked tire.
Okay, but he did too. Both of them did.
Yeah, we both smoked the tire.
It doesn't matter. It's just qualifying.
Oh, we all in right now.
Okay.
It's just a qualification.
So now it's just more data.
Exactly.
Okay, okay.
How was that?
Now they got to look at the computer.
$10.
What?
You jumped there.
Shut up. Give me my $10. You lost. Okay, let's go eat.
You owe me 10. You owe me 10.
You bought the juice.
I bought the juice. I bought the juice.
Did he jump?
Yes, of course. Good meeting you, Sean.
Cheers.
Really great meeting you.
Here, give me some of that.
Look up the sugar.
Here,
It's
dump
all
that.
sugar.
Okay, good.
Thanks, Mike. Okay, we're even.
U.S. National. An unbelievable moment for the team out of Chicago.
Wait.
What is in your mouth right now?
Nothing.
Mike just sucked on a multivitamin like it was a fucking Flintstone. Give me one of those, please.
They're warm, but they're
What?
wet.
They're warm, but they're wet.
But they're
No
wet.
comment. It just happened.
Nothing. Hang
Why
on.
is that wire dangling?
I don't know. Just leave it alone.
Is it from the ignition?
No,
I hope not.
that's not from the ignition.
It's from the ignition. Okay.
No. It's not from the ignition, man. It's probably from the heater box. Of the
Only the
radio.
finest cars built at Rust Bros.
It was. It just
Look at this thing.
it never got finished.
Its fate was always this, Michael. Its fate was always this. Michael, its fate was
How did we
always
get here?
full of trash,
Okay, we're
left.
following these guys.
I don't know. Michael, Jesus Christ. Ow. Oh my God, it's stressed
Go
out.
ahead.
Yeah, forget about
What?
it. So, I'll go. His food. He spilled his food. Go. Just go. Get out of here. He spilled his food. He is not happy. I think he spilled his food or a dog went flying. Oh, he went like this. He was like this. He was not happy.
Well, he didn't have to right away anymore. No, I did. I saw him coming. I stopped.
I think his food went everywhere.